Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are fine. Today our topic is about circle the lemons with the letter L. You can see some lemons with different letters. Circle the lemons with letter L like this. This is the shape of letter L. Move your finger on it. Now color this letter. Look, here is letter L. Join these dots to make its shape. I hope you understood this lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the videos. Thank you very much.